I saw a domestic worker that she never hold the hand of the kid. She just let her go play and cross the road. And I told her, I'm Crisanta Guiquing, and I have been here in Singapore for 18 years. Last I remember is the road safety, that first event in Chengshan CC with the Prime Minister. I decided to continue because I find there is a deep learning on this to help my fellow domestic workers to be aware on the road. The road safety is our responsibility as a caretaker of small kids, even for the young adults, also the elderly. This is the awareness that we need to spread to all domestic workers community, so they will know what is their responsibility and role in this community. Now in my community, we are around 500 in our Facebook group chat. Every time they have event, they will engage me. So if we are available, then we help out. How I started my community is like we are just a circle of friends from the school, from the church, from day off. We communicate through Messenger, through Facebook Messenger. So from there already we have this initiative that we have to grow and do something for the community. The important thing that I have learned to building this community is this: we have the heart, we have the passion, and we are giving our time and effort. Instead of going for happy hours, we are giving this time to engage in the community, to have a meaningful and progressive day off. Yeah, there is an incident that I saw a domestic worker that she never hold the hand of the kid. She just let her go play and cross the road. And I told her, must be responsible on your kid, because this is your own, within your hand, the parents entrust you this life. So you must be take care that in anything this will happen, you have to take responsibility, the penalty, or even you will be in jail. Actually, I accept different paths as long they have the heart to serve. Our platform is like we are giving our free time, our free service. We are giving without any, without expecting in return. This is always the thing that I tell them. You come to my group, we have to serve, you give, but you don't expect anything in return. Like me, I'm not expecting anything in return. But we are building this group to be recognized in the community. This is only our main aim, is that we come here as a foreigner, we need to give back to the community. Because they give us, this country already give us the opportunity to work. You see our family, they have a better life because we have the opportunity to work here in Singapore. This is like paying back